Are you looking for the travel cameras? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best travel cameras on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Starting at number 1. DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro is a tough, waterproof camera that mounts anywhere to get epic 4K 120 footage, and beats out other action cams in battery life by a mile. The DJI Osmo Action 5 Pro, $349, addresses one of the big areas in which action cameras have historically struggled: battery life. The miniature, mountable, waterproof cam rolls for longer than 2 hours at 4K 60, plus it provides excellent stabilization and handles low-light scenes better than rival GoPro cameras. Creature comforts like front and rear color touchscreens, up to 240 frames per second slow-motion capture, and 48 GB of internal storage are welcome too, and come together to make the Osmo Action 5 Pro our editor's choice winner for action cams, beating out the $349 GoPro Hero 12 Black for the top spot. The Osmo Action 5 Pro follows the cookie-cutter outline for action cams. It's small enough to mount on a helmet, tough enough to survive rough-and-tumble handling, and waterproof to an impressive 65.6 feet, 20 meters. The camera measures about 1.7 by 2.8 by 1.3 inches, HWD, and weighs 5.2 ounces, nearly the same as the GoPro Hero 13 Black, 2.0 by 2.8 by 1.3 inches, 5.6 ounces. Number 2. DJI Osmo Pocket 3. DJI's Osmo Pocket 3 vlogging camera records perfectly steady video and performs better in dim light than most action cams thanks to its oversized image sensor. With a stick-like design and a 3-axis gimbal stabilization system, DJI's third-generation handheld vlogging cam, the Osmo Pocket 3, $519, doesn't stray too far from the Pocket or the Pocket 2. This latest model captures exceptionally smooth and stable video, manages better low-light image quality than its predecessors thanks to an upgraded Type 1 sensor, and supports both widescreen and vertical output to social media. Vloggers should enjoy the pleasing color profiles and 4K 60 recording option, while expert creatives can take advantage of a 10-bit log profile. We're not thrilled about the price jump over the $349 Pocket 2, but the Pocket 3's improved performance, top-notch image quality, and excellent battery life help it earn our Editor's Choice Award for vlogging cameras nonetheless. As mentioned, the Osmo Pocket 3 follows earlier models in form and function. The video-first camera has a candy bar-like shape that makes it comfortable to handle and gets the same type of 3-axis gimbal system as DJI's drones. Number 3. Nikon Z50II. The Nikon Z50II makes smart tweaks to the original that improve ergonomics, autofocus, and tracking speed for an excellent entry-level mirrorless camera. The Nikon Z50II, $909.95, body only, may seem like only a slight upgrade at a glance. After all, it looks very similar to the Z50, and the two share the same sensor. But a new image processor upgrades its autofocus system for smarter and faster tracking and 10-bit video, and we like the subtle changes that Nikon has made to its compact, but comfortable body. It proves to be a capable do-it-all for various photo genres, earning our Editor's Choice Award for mirrorless cameras under $1,000. It edges out the Fujifilm X-T32, which is still a good performer by today's standards, but is often out of stock at retailers. The Z52 cuts size and weight versus full-frame cameras. Its APS-C, DX in Nikon speak, sensor affords a smaller form overall, 3.8 by 5.0 by 2.6 inches, HWD, and 17.5 ounces. I won't go as far as to call it tiny, as it doesn't quite match Canon's EOS R50, 3.4 by 4.6 by 2.7 inches, 13.2 ounces. Instead, the Z52 does a fine job walking the tightrope between portability and usability. I found the EOS R50's controls to be a little too cramped for comfortable everyday use, but don't have similar gripes about the Z52. Number 4. Insta360 X5. The Insta360 X5 is a staggeringly versatile, rugged, and waterproof camera that can produce 360-degree stills and video, as well as more conventional single-camera action footage with resolution to spare. The Insta360 X5, $549.99, is the latest in the company's ever-expanding range of 360-degree and action cameras. While the core shooting specifications remain largely unchanged from its predecessor, the Insta360 X4, $499.99. The X5 has larger image sensors, user-replaceable lenses, improved waterproofing, a new wind guard, and longer battery life. Its mobile and desktop apps have received facelifts and added a number of AI-powered templates for swiftly editing and exporting stills and video. The X5 is a staggeringly versatile creative tool that can produce remarkable outputs with little effort, or breathtaking ones if you're willing to learn how to get the most from it, earning it our Editor's Choice Award for 360 cameras. The standard version of the Insta360 X5 costs $549.99 and includes the camera, a USB-C cable, a soft case, and a lens cloth. Number 5. Sony ZV-1M2. The Sony ZV-1M2 impresses as a vlogging camera thanks to its versatile 18 to 50mm zoom lens, 4K recording options, and clear stereo mic, but battery life could be better. Many creators use smartphones for vlogging, but camera makers do sell purpose-built alternatives with superior ergonomics and features. Sony's ZV-1 was one such release, and now its successor, the $899.99 ZV-1M2, looks to recapture the compact market once more. It keeps the same quality mic and vlog tilted exposure modes as the previous version but offers improvements such as a wider-angle lens, widescreen cinevlog recording support, and enhanced touch operability. Vlog cameras are a developing space, and the ZV-1M2's wide zoom lens helps it stand out among its few competitors, but short battery life and an outdated monitor are notable downsides.